Hey there! If you're running into that pesky unable to load photo error message on your iPhone where it says an error occurred while loading a higher quality version of this photo, don't worry, you're not alone. This issue can be super frustrating but usually points to a hiccup with the photo loading process or your iCloud settings. Let's walk through some easy steps to troubleshoot and get that photo loading again. Solution 1. Turn iCloud off and on. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Now scroll down a bit until you find iCloud and tap on it. Tap on Photos. Then try to turn off iCloud Photos. Wait for a few moments and then turn it back on. After that, select Download and Keep Originals. Go back to the iCloud settings. Next, check your iCloud storage. If your storage is almost full, try clearing out some unused pictures or videos. After that, your problem should be resolved. Solution 2. Try opening photos from a different app. First, open the App Store. Tap on Search at the bottom of the screen. Type in Documents and hit Search. Install and set up the app. Once you're on the app's main page, select Photos or Files, wherever you might have saved the picture. Now see if that works for you. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down until you find General and tap on it. Next, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Just a heads up, this will remove your saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN settings. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle the unable to load photo error on your iPhone. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for more help. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck getting those photos loaded.